In this video we will learn school bag items in English. Pencil, pencil. Sharpener, sharpener. Textbook, textbook. Pencil case, pencil case. Calculator, calculator. Scissors, scissors. Pen, pen. Marker, marker. Notebook, notebook. Eraser, eraser. Dictionary, dictionary. Highlighter, highlighter. School bag, school bag. Water bottle, water bottle. ID card, ID card. Gel pen, gel pen. Lunchbox, lunchbox. Handkerchief, handkerchief. Ballpoint pen, ballpoint pen. Diary, diary. Mechanical pencil, mechanical pencil. Drawing book, drawing book. Sticky notes, sticky notes. Graph paper, graph paper. Ruler, ruler. Compass, compass. Geometry box, geometry box. Keychain, keychain. Set square, set square. Palette, palette. Protractor, protractor. Bag zipper, bag zipper. Crayons, crayons. Glue, glue. Color pencil, color pencil. Paper clips, paper clips. Paintbrush, paintbrush. Stapler, stapler. Glue stick, glue stick. Staples, staples. Rubber bands, rubber bands. Hand sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Tape, tape. Tissue paper, tissue paper. Face mask, face mask. Tablet, tablet. Loose sheets, loose sheets.